Alright, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, you have learned what Trello is and how it can bring order and structure to your projects. But here's the big question, who actually use Trello in the real world? And why is it such a favorite across so many industries? In this video, I will walk you through real examples from busy professionals and entrepreneurs to teachers, students, even freelancers. You will discover exactly how different people apply Trello to solve problems, stay productive, and manage both work and personal life. So whether you are running a business, managing a project, or just trying to stay on top of daily tasks, this video will show you why Trello could be the perfect tool for you.
Hey, welcome back. By now, you've learned what Trello is and how it can organize projects, but you might still be wondering who actually uses Trello in the real world. And what kinds of problems does it solve? What makes Trello so popular is its flexibility. From freelancers to Fortune 500 teams, people everywhere rely on Trello to stay organized and get work done. Let's look at some real-life examples to see how Trello fits different needs. First up, busy professionals, project managers, marketers, product developers, or anyone juggling lots of tasks. Imagine a marketing team launching a new product. They use Trello to map out the campaign timeline on a shared board, create lists for to-do, in progress, and completed tasks, assign work, copywriting, design, social media, all with their own cards. Track deadlines, share files, and comment right inside each card. No more lost emails or missed steps. The whole team is on the same page. Small business owners and entrepreneurs love Trello for its simplicity. Say you're managing a new startup. Use Trello to track product development, customer leads, and support tickets. Organize your content calendar for social media. Plan your hiring process, onboarding, or event logistics. Everything is visual, everyone knows what needs to be done. Did you know teachers and students also use Trello? For example, teachers organize class lessons, homework assignments, and grading schedules. Students track assignments, due dates, project work, and exam preparation. It helps everyone keep learning on track without missing deadlines. Are you a freelancer? Maybe you just want to stay organized in daily life. Trello is brilliant for individual use cases, like managing client projects, proposals, drafts, revisions, and deliveries, planning a trip, keeping a grocery list, or tracking personal goals, even organizing weddings or big family events. You get an instant visual dashboard for everything important in your life. Let's recap with a few industry snapshots. Software developers, sprint planning, bug tracking, and feature requests. Agencies, content creation pipelines and client collaboration. Event planners, task checklists and timelines, HR teams. Recruitment pipelines and onboarding as boards. If something needs organization, chances are someone's using Trello for it. So why do users from solo entrepreneurs to big teams choose Trello? It's visual and intuitive, see everything at a glance. Flexible, use it for work or life, simple or complex. Collaborative, invite anyone, share updates, and keep everyone informed. Now you can see, Trello isn't just for project management geeks. It's for anyone with goals, ideas, or to-dos.
And that's a wrap-up of the typical use cases of Trello. As you just saw, Trello isn't just for project managers, it's flexible enough for entrepreneurs, educators, team, and even individuals trying to organize life chaos. But remember, this is just the start of mastering modern project management. If you want to go deeper and learn how to combine tools like Trello with the power of generative AI, then check out our complete course Generative AI for Project Management on nirvanaskills.com. And here's something special. If you'd like me to send you an exclusive guide on becoming an AI-driven project manager, just drop a comment below with the word AIPM. I will share the guide with you directly so you can start your journey towards becoming a future-ready project manager. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you wouldn't miss the next lesson in the Trello series. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture.